Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an image using levels in Photoshop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any image from Unsplash, or you can use Pexels as well, and you can do work on that image and share your practice work with me on Instagram. You can find link in the description. So first step you simply need to do is to unlock the layer by clicking on this lock icon. So once you done that, then you simply need to click on adjustments, and here you can see levels. Click on that, and from here you can adjust the image. So let me adjust this image. So here you can see that if you want you can make it more clear like this. Okay, so now it is cool. And if you want to zoom in, you simply need to click on Control plus with the backspace. So here you can see your image more clear. Okay, so I'm showing you. So this is the image after editing with levels, and this is the image before. So let me know which image you like the most, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.